When you are cold, you wear a sweater to keep you warm from the cold and shivering. This adaptation is called behavioral adaptation because you are trying to get warm from the cold by wearing this sweater. Now, behavioral adaptations are the actions of organisms that enable them to survive in their environment. For example, bears hibernate in winter to escape the cold temperature and preserve energy. Put a fish on dry land, it won't survive because its physical structure isn't built for land. But if you put a chicken on dry land, it will survive on land, but won't survive in water because a chicken doesn't have the structure to survive in water. This is known as structural adaptation. Structural adaptation is the physical feature of an organism that enables them to survive in their environment. For example, fishes have gills that enable them to carry out respiration. When you touch a hot pot suddenly, you will remove your hand immediately. Likewise, when you pour very cold water, you will remove your hand. The action is a physiological way of surviving the hot pot and cold water. It is also a physiological way of adapting to the hot pot and cold water. Physiological adaptation can be defined as the internal and cellular features of an organism that enable them to survive in their environment. For example, snakes produce poisonous venom to ward off predators and to capture prey. The way you remove your hands from the cold water and hot pot is a surviving method to prevent burns and freezing of the hands. In today's lesson, we learned about the various types of adaptation. They are behavioral adaptation, structural adaptation, and physiological adaptation. Hope you learned something new in today's class. Thank you and see you next time.